Hope you're doing great. In today's video, I'll show you how to add audio to a Google Slides presentation step by step. This is a great way to add background music, voice recordings, or other audio to make your presentation more engaging. So let's get started. First, open Google Slides and open the presentation where you want to add audio. Now, select the slide where you'd like to insert the audio. Next, click Insert from the top menu and then choose Audio. A Google Drive window will appear. If you already have an audio file stored in your Google Drive, simply select the file and click Insert. If you don't have an audio file in Google Drive yet, you'll need to upload it first. Once the file has been uploaded, return to the Insert Audio window, select your audio file, and click Insert. After the audio is inserted, a speaker icon will appear on your slide. You can move it to any position on the slide and adjust the playback settings if needed. Google Slides automatically saves your changes, so you don't need to save the presentation manually. That's it. Hello everyone, you now know how to add audio to a Google Slides presentation. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more Google Slides tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.